Hi, good evening. You see, yes, I was telling you that why the Bharatiya Janata Party, though put all their efforts and all their focus on West Bengal prior to 2021 assembly elections, despite that, BJP had to remain satisfied with only 77 MLAs. Why BJP could not win the elections of assembly in 2021? And this is I actually conducted a study, and the study was published in a book. I published a book in 2021 after the elections. The name of the book is Why BJP Was Defeated and CPIM and Congress Were Evinced, a study of 2021 assembly elections. You see, this is a great, it is a research work which I did prior to elections of 2021. But I have understood from the study that BJP did a lot of mistakes, though they put all their efforts. A majority of the stalwarts of Bharatiya Janata Party came to the state West Bengal, and many opposition leaders and the observers or political observers said that they had started daily passenger in this state. But despite that, you will understand, or you will remember that when the convoys of the Bharatiya Janata Party's leaders, Narendra Modi and Amit Shah's campaigns were going on in different places or different districts in West Bengal, then the rose petals were being thrown on the people or on the roadsides, and there was such a situation that BJP will definitely come to power. But what happened actually after the declaration of result, it was seen that BJP could not win even 100 seats in West Bengal. So why the Bharatiya Janata Party, despite all their focus and all their efforts, could not win the elections? So I would like to tell you in brief, I would like to share with you my study, and I hope that the Bharatiya Janata Party should learn from their lessons, because I see that still this year also, prior to Lok Sabha elections also, so there are some political leaders who after not getting tickets, they are going to Delhi, and some people are coming to the Bharatiya Janata Party's doors, and their doors are open, and they are giving warm welcome to them. Though the Bharatiya Janata Party workers in this very tough time, they fought a lot for the party against the existing Trinamool Congress, but they were completely deprived of, they were denied of tickets. So I would like to give you more detailed or more minute analysis why Bharatiya Janata Party was defeated in 2021 assembly elections. You see, yes, let me start. Right, the BJP, despite putting its full focus, strength and attention on Bengal, failed to cross 3 digits, which proved truth to the words of Prashant Kishore. Yeah, Prashant Kishore, you all know that Prashant Kishore is a poll strategist, and he said that that BJP will not be able to cross 3 digits. And after the declaration of election results, his words proved true. So, and he said that he even said that if the BJP gets more than 3 digits, 3 digits MLAs, 3 digit number of MLAs, then he will leave this profession, right? Like he will leave his profession. So it was such a big challenge. So such was the level of confidence, credence and boldness of a professional poll strategist like PK, before whom the entire BJP team was flattened on the ground. So at the end of the day, the scoreboard showed that Mamata Banerjee, the TMC Supremo, for whom PK worked as a strategist, alone in 213 seats, alone, Trinamool Congress alone on 213 seats out of 293 seats, right? 2 seats more than the seats that they own in 2026, and the BJP had to satisfy itself with only 77 seats. So another striking fact was that the CPI made an alliance with the decaying Indian National Congress Party. I don't think that CPIM and the Congress have much relevance in West Bengal, because you see, you will not find them here in West Bengal. Though in some political meetings and maybe some conferences or maybe some processions and protest movements, you will find that the enormous presence of the comrades, but ultimately those are not reflected in the what I say, ballot boxes, right? So these two former parties failed to open their account in Bengal, which is again a record in Bengal politics since independence for both INC and CPIM. So all the leaders of two parties, that is CPIM and Congress, were seen to fall flat on their face with the declaration of election results. This indicates the fall of the tyrannical and disruptive politics, bad governance in Bengal, rendered by both the left and the right parties in two cycles from 1947 to 1977, was ruled by Congress, and mainly by Congress. And from 1977 to 2011, the entire 34 years was ruled by left front, led by CPIM, and the absolute rejections of slogans, right? And so what were the slogans of CPIM or the communist parties? You know, they used to say, "Venge dao, guriye dao." You see, "Venge dao, guriye dao," but it means break down, smash down. My God, people are failing to create anything, but they are talking about destruction. They are talking about breakdown. So this slogan, only people, the people of 21st century don't like that. The youngsters don't like that. So the CPIM leaders need to rethink about their what is the slogans, right? They used to say that "Benge dao, guriye dao," so break down, smash down, and then say "Manchi na, manbo na." So not obeying will not obey. Cholche na, cholbe na. So these are the slogans. These are the slogans. Can these slogans be relevant in 21st century, when people are trying to create, when people are trying to make some innovations, when people are trying to build something? They are talking about destruction. They are talking about disobeying. They are talking against. They are talking about the destruction. They are talking about disruption. They are talking about anti-industrialization, anti-bourgeois system, anti-developmental thoughts they still cherish. So with these thoughts, how can they expect that they will get people's vote? So it is not possible. So the leaders should rethink about it. And disruptive politics, chakka jam. They used to do the CPIM. I have seen that their chakka jam policies. They used to roadblock, strikes, bonds. So many strikes, so many bonds. So what they did, they disrupted the normal life and property of their people, So after that, after disrupting, after spoiling, after killing people, they want to come to power. Is it possible? No. It is not possible. So the political leaders of the communist parties should think over their policies. They should change their policies radically. Otherwise, I don't think that in the near future they will be able to come back in power. All right. So the demanding and destroying political agenda of the left parties were discarded by the people in 2011. partly and absolutely in 2021. After in 2021, they did not give the CPIM and Congress, both the parties did not give they did not gain even a single MLA. They could not send even a single member in the Legislative Assembly. You see how horrible, how distressful, and how pathetic their situation was. So I'd say that due to their destructive politics and due to their bad governance, still people are not satisfied with their performance, and maybe the young generation are not aware of that. But you see, it is the age of globalization, it is the age of modernization, where computer, where internet, and where every record is available within the limits, or within the hands, within the reach of the people. So if you want to get any information, if you want to get any record, immediately you can get by typing in Google, or maybe in Wikipedia, or in many sources, and in libraries, and there are so many sources. So e-libraries are there, e-newspapers are there, archives are there, so it is available. So that is why I say that now in the 21st century, the people who want to come to power must think about the interest of the people, must think about the holistic development of the people, not distraction. Only holistic development, equality, the words of equality, the words of spread the message of love, spread the message of equality, spread the message of sympathy, spread the message of unity, integrity, and ethical questions, ethical values, good education, modern scientific education. So all these things are required by people. All right, I would like to close this video here. In the next video, I will say about why these are the simple reasons why CPIM particularly and Congress were defeated in the last assembly elections. Now, in the next video, I would like to tell you why the Bharatiya Janata Party or BJP was defeated in the 2021 elections, because this video is already crossed 12 minutes, right? In the next video, please watch the next video, right, to know why the Bharatiya Janata Party was defeated and could not cross 3 digits, right? Thank you for watching.